Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, October 11, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, October 11, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng October 11, 2023 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5pm. 'See you again later for 9pm result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, October 11, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 29.7 million pesos, and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 8.9 million pesos for Wednesday, October 11, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for Wednesday, October 11, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.